What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna try out troubleshooting my laptop manually because it failed to work. After going off recently last night, it has failed to power on, and the only solution is giving it the first aid. I've tried some stuff here, like holding down the button. It has failed. I've tried pressing a pin in the small hole. It has failed. So our next step is opening it and unplugging it. Let's go. If you have any idea about this, please comment below. Don't hesitate to comment below. Let's share some ideas about this. This is an Acer Aspire 315. If you got any idea about it, please comment.